Mark, why do you look stressed?
Yeah, I am stressed.
What happened?
I was talking to someone earlier,
Okay,
and they were waiting for my answer.
that sounds normal.
Yeah, but I needed more time,
Oh,
and I didn't know what to say.
ah.
I just stood there, thinking.
And
Nothing came out.
that's a very real situation.
Yeah, I felt so awkward.
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. Someone is waiting for you. You need more time. What would you say?
Maybe wait?
Yeah,
But it sounds rude.
exactly. It's too direct.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Okay, here's the key. Real life English is simple but polite.
Okay.
Just say this. Give me a second.
Oh, give me a second.
Perfect. This is very natural.
Yeah, I like this one.
Let's repeat. Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Good. Now say it more naturally.
Give me a second.
Good, but softer.
Okay, give me a second.
Yes, that sounds real.
Yeah, I feel more comfortable.
Good. Now let's go back to your situation. Someone is waiting. What do you say?
Give me a second.
Perfect. That is exactly what you need.
Wow, that's easy.
Yes, simple, natural, polite. Now let's make it a little different.
Okay.
Another way to say it. Just a second.
Oh, just a second.
Yes, same meaning.
Yeah, very simple.
Try again.
Just a second.
Perfect. Now one more.
Okay.
1 moment, please.
Oh, one moment, please.
Very good. This sounds a bit more polite.
Yeah, I like this one.
Good. Let's compare. Give me a second. Casual.
Okay.
Just a second. Very common.
Right?
1 moment, please. More polite.
Oh, I see.
Good. Now let's build a real situation.
Okay.
Someone asks you a question.
Hmm.
You need time.
Okay. Give me a second?
Perfect. That sounds natural.
Yeah, I like it.
Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
You are nervous.
Always.
So you hesitate. Listen. Just a second.
Just a second.
Perfect. That is real speaking.
Yeah, that feels real.
Now, final situation.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
Just a second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Perfect. That is real life English.
Yeah, I needed this.
Good. That's the goal. But let's continue your story.
Okay.
So you said, give me a second.
Yeah,
And the person waited.
right?
But now you need more time.
Oh, yes, that happens.
So what do you say now?
I don't know.
Okay, let's stop again. Imagine you need more time. Not just 1 second. What would you say?
Maybe wait more?
Yeah, but that sounds strange.
Yeah, not natural.
So here's the sentence. Give me a minute.
Oh, give me a minute.
Perfect. This means you need more time.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let's repeat. Give me a minute.
Give me a minute.
Good. Now full situation.
Okay. Give me a minute?
Sure.
Okay, I'm ready.
Perfect. That is very natural. Now let's make it more polite.
Okay.
Sometimes you are talking to a customer
Oh,
or your boss,
right?
so you need to sound more professional.
Okay.
Listen, could you give me a moment?
Oh, could you give me a moment?
Perfect. Very polite.
Yeah, I like this one.
Try again.
Could you give me a moment?
Good. Now add please. Could you give me a moment, please?
Oh, could you give me a moment, please?
Excellent. That sounds very professional.
Yeah, I would use this at work.
Now, let's add pressure.
Pressure again.
Yes, someone is talking fast,
Oh no.
and you need to stop them.
That's hard.
Yes, but you can say this. Just a moment.
Oh, just a moment.
Perfect. Short and clear.
Yeah, I like short sentences.
Good. Now try full situation.
Okay.
Someone asks you quickly.
Just a moment.
Okay,
Give me a minute.
sure.
Okay, now I can answer.
Perfect. That is real life English. Now let's make it even more real.
Okay.
You are on the phone,
Oh,
and someone asks you something.
right?
But you need time to check.
Yes.
So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. Can you hold on a second?
Oh, can you hold on a second?
Perfect. This is very common on phones.
Yeah, I've heard this before.
Good. Let's repeat. Can you hold on a second?
Can you hold on a second?
Excellent. Now, full situation.
Okay. Hello?
Hi, can you help me?
Yes, can you hold on a second?
Sure.
Okay, I'm back.
Perfect. That is exactly how people speak.
Yeah, this is very useful.
Good. That's the goal. Now, Mark, let's make it more stressful.
More stressful?
Yes, you made a mistake,
Oh no,
and someone is waiting for your answer.
that's stressful.
Very. So, what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. Give me a moment. I need to check something.
Oh, give me a moment. I need to check something.
Perfect. Very natural.
Yeah, I like this one.
Now, another situation.
Okay.
You don't know the answer,
Oh,
and someone is waiting.
that happens a lot.
So you say this. Let me check and get back to you.
Oh, let me check and get back to you.
Perfect. Very useful at work.
Yeah, I need this.
Now, let's make it more real.
Okay.
Someone is impatient.
Oh no,
They want an answer now.
that's hard.
Yes. So you stay calm and say this. Just a moment. I'm working on it.
Oh, just a moment. I'm working on it.
Perfect. That sounds confident.
Yeah, I like that.
Now let's add phone situation again.
Okay.
You need to check information.
Right?
So you say this. Can you hold on while I check?
Oh, can you hold on while I check?
Perfect. Very common on calls.
Yeah, I've heard this before.
Now another situation.
Okay.
You are busy with two people.
Oh,
One person is talking to you,
yes?
and another person needs help.
That's stressful.
Yes. So you say, I'll be with you in a moment.
Oh, I'll be with you in a moment.
Perfect. Very polite. Now let's make it faster.
Okay.
Real life speed. Someone asks quickly.
Okay. 1 second.
Good.
Just a moment.
Perfect.
Give me a minute.
Excellent. Short and natural. Now let's combine hesitation.
Okay.
You are nervous.
Yes.
So you speak like this. Just a second.
Just a second.
Perfect. That sounds real.
Yeah, very natural.
Now let's fix a mistake.
Okay.
You answered too quickly,
Oh no.
and it was wrong.
Oh no.
So you say this. Sorry, give me a moment.
Oh, sorry, give me a moment.
Perfect. Very useful.
Yeah, I need this.
Now, full real-life situation.
Okay.
You are working.
Yes?
Someone asks you something.
Okay. Give me a second. I'm just finishing this.
Sure.
Done. How can I help?
Can you check this for me?
Let me think for a second.
Okay.
Could you give me a moment? I'll check that for you.
Sure.
Okay, here's the answer.
Perfect. That is real-life English. Now, Mark, how do you feel?
Honestly, much more confident.
Why?
Because now I know what to say when I need time.
Exactly.
Before, I just froze.
And now?
Now I can control the situation.
That's the key. You don't panic, you communicate.
Yeah, even simple sentences help a lot.
Exactly. So tell me, what do you say first?
Easy. Give me a second.
Good. More polite?
Could you wait a moment?
Perfect. At work?
Let me check and get back to you.
Excellent. Phone call?
Can you hold on a second?
Very good. Busy situation?
I'll be with you in a moment.
Perfect. That is real-life English.